Integrating Shopify with Amazon lets you sell your Shopify products on Amazon.com or other marketplaces, sync inventory, orders, and listings, and fulfill through FBA or FBM. The most reliable and popular way is using third-party apps, as Shopify and Amazon do not have a direct native integration. Recommended method: using an app. Choose an integration app. Shopify Admin, Apps, Shopify App Store. Search for one of these top-rated Amazon integration apps: CS Amazon Integration or SED Commerce Amazon Channel. Free tier available. I would recommend SED Commerce. Click Add App. Install. Authorize permissions. Connect your Amazon seller account. Connect your Amazon seller account. Open the app dashboard. Click Connect Amazon or Add Marketplace. Log into your Amazon Seller Central account. Authorize the app. Grant access to listings, orders, inventory. Select your Amazon Marketplace. Sync products and inventory. In the app, import Shopify products or create new listings. Map fields, title, description, images, price, variance. Set pricing rules, markup %, dynamic pricing. Enable inventory sync, auto updates stock on both platforms. Choose fulfillment, FBA, Amazon warehouses, or FBM, UShip. Push products, they appear live on Amazon. Order and shipping sync. When a sale occurs on Amazon, app auto imports order to Shopify. Fulfill in Shopify. Tracking syncs back to Amazon. Use FBA. Amazon handles packing and shipping automatically.